Want to change Samsung Pass Autofill to Google or LastPass because you want to save time and keep password secure? Here is how you can change Samsung Pass Autofill to Google or LastPass on your phone. So, let's begin. First go to the settings, then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on General Management. Now, scroll down again. Here you will see the password passkeys and autofill option. Now, tap on it. After that, tap on the preferred service. Here you can see the other autofill services like Google or LastPass. And then tap OK. Now, select your preferred service like Google. So, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any queries, leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, stay chill.